Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make color table border in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, color table border is then we can say is select your all table option and going to the more menu option and click for the border color option. Then initialize color and click for the border width option. Then click for this. Then we show the make color table border in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.